What if your garden could stay green, full, and beautiful all year with barely any work? It's not a dream. These evergreen shrubs do exactly that. Some bloom in winter, others thrive in tough spots, and a few might just surprise you with how little care they need. Stick around, you might discover a plant that changes the way you garden forever. Azalea shrubs are a classic choice for vibrant spring blooms. Once established, they require minimal care and reward you with a riot of color every year, staying green throughout the seasons. Arp rosemary brings more than just culinary use. It's drought-tolerant, thrives in full sun, and adds both fragrance and evergreen charm to your garden with very little effort. August Beauty Gardenia stands out with large, creamy flowers that fill the air with a sweet scent in summer. It keeps its glossy green leaves all year and needs just a bit of sunlight and well-draining soil. Bird's nest spruce grows in a naturally compact, rounded form resembling a nest, making it perfect for foundation plantings or small spaces where you want structure with no trimming needed. Blue Princess Holly has a tough and glossy appearance, with bold green leaves and red berries that birds adore. It stays lush year-round and needs barely any pruning. Compact Maximum Rhododendron offers stunning spring flowers in shades of pink, while remaining green and dense through winter. It thrives in dappled shade and cool climates. Cherry Laurel is a fast-growing evergreen with glossy dark green leaves and small white flowers in spring. It works great as a privacy hedge and needs only occasional watering. Camellia shrubs are evergreen beauties that bloom in cooler months when other plants sleep. They come in pinks, reds, and whites and prefer partial shade and regular moisture. Chinese privet adds a golden hue to gardens with its yellow-green foliage. It's highly adaptable, tolerates pruning well, and holds its shape easily in sun or part shade. Dwarf Alberta spruce is perfect for symmetry and landscaping. Its dense needles and slow growth mean it keeps its neat conical shape without constant trimming. Dwarf Japanese black pine features strong upright branches and short green needles. It's wind-tolerant and ideal for rock gardens or coastal locations where upkeep is tricky. Dwarf Mugo pine offers rugged texture and dense green needles. It naturally maintains a compact form and handles poor soil and dry conditions with ease. Dwarf Globe Blue Spruce gives you a pop of steel blue foliage. Its round, symmetrical growth habit makes it a striking accent without needing much trimming. Emerald Fountain Canadian Hemlock has graceful feathery needles and a tall, slender profile that works well in shady spaces. It grows steadily without becoming overbearing. Eternal Fragrance Daphne lives up to its name with soft pink flowers that appear even in winter. Its compact size and constant scent make it a low-effort delight. Fragrant Tea Olive fills the garden with sweet jasmine-like perfume. It has leathery dark green leaves and stays compact, making it ideal for borders or patios. False Cypress Golden Charm is a golden-needled conifer with a soft thread-like texture. It brightens shady areas and needs almost no upkeep once rooted. False Holly mimics the look of traditional holly without the sharp leaves. Its small white blooms smell sweet, and it holds its shape with little care. Firethorn shrub, or pyracantha, is a thorny evergreen that offers white spring flowers followed by bright red berries in fall and winter. It's perfect for wildlife-friendly hedges. Golden Mop Cypress features soft mop-like golden threads of foliage. It stays low to the ground and doesn't spread aggressively, making it ideal for decorative edging. Gem Box Inkberry Holly is a dense, rounded shrub with deep green leaves. It thrives in wet or dry soils and doesn't require shearing to keep its compact form. Green Gem Boxwood is a slow-growing, tidy evergreen that's often used in formal gardens. It has excellent winter color and requires just occasional shaping. Green Mountain Boxwood has a pyramidal growth habit and keeps its deep green hue even in winter. It's hardy, reliable, and great for foundation plantings. Green Velvet Boxwood grows in a natural mounding shape with lush velvety foliage. It's resistant to winter burn and needs little pruning to stay looking good. Hinoki Cypress stands out with its layered branches and textured dark green foliage. It grows slowly and loves moisture and partial shade. Heather shrub produces spikes of tiny pink, purple, or white blooms. It's drought-resistant, thrives in poor soils, and adds year-round interest to small spaces. Hollywood juniper grows upright with irregular artistic branching. Its silvery foliage and wind tolerance make it great for statement plantings or privacy screens. Holly shrubs are the holiday staple of gardens with their dark leaves and vibrant berries. They're tough, evergreen, and require minimal care once mature. Indian hawthorn blooms in soft pinks and whites each spring and has leathery green leaves year-round. It tolerates salt, drought, and sun like a champion. Inkberry evergreen has smooth-edged leaves and thrives in both wet and dry areas. It's excellent for low hedges or mass planting, and it resists pests naturally. Juniper is a no-fuss classic. From ground covers to shrubs, its needle-like foliage comes in blue, green, and silver, and tolerates neglect like no other. Japanese barberry offers vibrant red foliage and thorny branches, making it a favorite for low-maintenance hedges that also deter intruders. Japanese Aurelia has bold umbrella-shaped leaves and thrives in shady spots. It brings a tropical feel to gardens without the work of tropical plants. Japanese Skimmia adds elegance to shade gardens with its fragrant flowers and red berries. It stays compact and keeps its foliage lush even in cold months. Little Gem Norway Spruce is a dwarf conifer with dense growth and a neat shape. It's ideal for rock gardens or accent spots where space is limited. Lovely boxwood is a go-to for neat borders and formal gardens. Once established, it rarely needs water and holds its shape without much trimming. Mahonia shrubs boast leathery, spiky leaves and clusters of yellow flowers in late winter. Birds love the berries and the plant shrugs off cold and shade. Oregon grape holly is a multitasker. It flowers in spring, berries in fall, and stands strong in drought. Its spiny leaves also make it a natural barrier. Perfume Princess Daphne brings winter color and powerful fragrance with pink blooms. It stays compact and blooms when little else does. Red Robin Photinia features bright red new leaves that turn green as they mature. It's fast-growing, low-maintenance, and ideal for tall hedges. Texas sage thrives in heat and poor soil. Its silver foliage and lavender flowers make it a favorite in drought-tolerant landscapes. Victory pyracantha offers red berries and shiny green leaves, all on thorny branches. It's a tough plant that requires little care and adds bold color. Winter creeper adds deep red fall color and stays evergreen the rest of the year. It climbs or sprawls depending on how you train it, and it's super low effort. Turns out building a stunning low-maintenance garden is easier than most people think. Now you know the shrubs that do the work for you without constant care. Liked what you saw? Hit subscribe, because the next plant tip we share might be the one your garden's been missing.